This is usually good for stuff like this, so white papers, brochures, booklets, anything else that you have a fair bit of text to edit with. So we'll start by, for example, styling the bit of text that you want. So you can go to either character settings here, and you can pick, let's just pick something different. So I'll go with Bodoni. So I'll make it size 15, and I'll play with the leading, so let's make it a bit more wide in between. So let's just say, for example, that this is what I want. This is what I want to apply throughout the whole document. You can click the text box itself, or you can highlight the bit of text. Just click the text box. I'll go to paragraph styles here, and I'll add a new paragraph style. So that style there is currently what you're seeing on screen. To edit this paragraph style, just double click. So it's showing you here what style is applied at the moment. So the Bodoni, the size 15 font, the leading 30, align centered, etc. It says it all here. We can name this Bodoni body text, for example. And in here you can actually click preview and make some changes. So we can go to basic character formats. Here, like I said, you can change the text if you like, but we're going to stick with what it was. So I'm just going to go back to Bodoni. I'm not going to touch any of this, but you can edit the text here. You can edit all these indents, spacing. You've got hyphenation settings, some color settings as well, so it'll be set to a certain color. We'll just stick with black for now. Once you go OK, click on the text box, apply it, so that you can apply now throughout the whole document where you want. Let's say we want to change, for example, we want to make this a heading, add another paragraph style. I'll do the same thing and just label it headings so you can know the difference. Now this is saying based on Bodoni body text, and we don't want that because we're setting a new one. The reason why it's saying that is because I've highlighted the one that's got the Bodoni setting on it. So we want to just get rid of that and just based on nothing, call it headings, and we want as a heading, we want this one. We want it bigger, and we'll keep it the way it is. And then we want it maybe blue, for example. Go OK. That's now your headings, and it's here. So you can highlight anything and just apply your heading setting. So this will save you a lot of time if you're doing big documents, because you can kind of just click and apply, click and apply. It's good to have a range of different paragraph styles. I would usually create at least 5-6 of them. So for example, I'll create one with dot points in case I have more and more dot point sections. So I'd apply that to all of them. For example, I can save that as a dot point one, so I can add a new one, go there, and that'll be in bullets, if I'm not wrong, bullets and numbering. So you can pick your bullets there. You can just call this dot point. And that's it. You can, for example, change that, and I can reapply the dot point setting. And that's it. I hope you guys have learnt something today. Thank you.